Hello and welcome to this video. I have been sent a HDMI video capture card by Ideal Force. They are a supplier on Amazon. I've put a link in the description where you can pick up your video capture card from. I know it has been difficult to get hold of these capture cards because everybody's buying them out because they're the best, cheapest one available. And you can see here it's a 1080p video capture card which is USB and HDMI. You get 60 frames a second, and it's a great little option to get you recording and live streaming. So I've got a separate video in the description which I will link you to about the whole setup of this. It comes lovely packaged with a manual which is in English, so it helps you get started, and it came in its own box which I've just taken it out of there. I don't really do unboxing, so that wasn't really needed. But yes, so I will link you to the description in the description of this video. You'll see the link to buy this. It's a good deal. It's $25.99 at the moment of this video, so have that look at that description and you'll find the link. Because it's an Amazon affiliates link, I will get a bit of commission when you buy it, but I'm hoping if it's something you do look at and you want, then you can go through that link and buy that and pick that up. It works on laptops and PCs, and you can do a number of things with it. Actually, I'm going to be making a separate video to highlight all the bits about this, because you can use it with a camcorder. If you've got old DVD players or camcorder video players like the cassette players, you can plug those in if they have a HDMI out and record footage on your computer. You can use it for live streaming. You can use it on Zoom. I've tested it on Zoom, StreamYards, OBS, Streamlabs OBS to record the screen, Discord, Skype, Zoom. All of that is linked in a video which I did everything about, so I'll link you to that right now. If you have any problems with this, comment and I'll let you know how to fix it if you have any issues, because I know on the other video a lot of people asked me some questions and we were able to make a full 50-minute video to answer everything, and that was quite well received because most people are kind of picking up these cheap ones now as opposed to the expensive ones. There are alternatives available, so if you don't want to buy this card for 25 odd pounds, then if you have a DSLR camera, you can make that a webcam. I've got a separate video about that also linked in the same playlist, so check that out.